Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Timeless Elegance Decor Collab Christmas/Winter Edition 2020. And the host of this collab is Really Good Living. And the co-hosts are Shell's Glam Home and Glamour Ellen, and I'll be sure to link them below. So the rules to this collab was to decorate 3 to 5 items that I would consider Christmas/winter, timeless, and or elegant to me. So I decided to show you these 3 items right here that I consider to be very precious and dear to me and elegant. So before we get back into the video, I just want to let you know that all of the people participating in this collab, including the host and the co-host and the playlist, will be listed down below. So as I was creating this double canvas, which I chose to display on my wall in my dining room side by side, I hand pieced each one of those mirrored pieces, and you could do this if you chose to do this on your own in the pattern of your choice, but this is how I chose to display it, and I was so happy with the outcome. This very quickly became a very precious piece, so I hope you enjoy this. Now, just above my couch, I also am displaying a 3 canvas set that I chose to make right after I created these 2 pieces right here. And you have the larger piece that's right over my couch, and then right alongside of those, the large canvas, you have the 2 little smaller canvases. All done exactly the same way as this. And I'm absolutely proud of these pieces, and they are very precious to me. I hope you So I just want to take a moment and I just want to thank everyone for this opportunity to collab with these beautiful ladies and show the creativity and just the talents that each and every one of us have. So please go to each and every one of our channels. I hope you visit there. I hope you subscribe to our channels and support us. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the video. For this piece right here, I absolutely love this piece. This is definitely a showstopper. I hand beaded each one of these gems on these two glass. I actually pieced this together, and it became one of my proud pieces, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoy it too. I think it's a very glamorous vase, and yeah, this is definitely something that I would display at any event. So enjoy. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post a video. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day.